What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel Inspired by R&R. If you're new here, my name is Ronya and today we are going to be showing you swatches from a company that I actually came across on Instagram. The company's name is With Love Cosmetics. They're a UK based company and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right on into this. And this is what the package looks like. And my lights, okay, there we go. See? With Love Cosmetics. I got the blue one. So let's go ahead and open this up. With Love Cosmetics states that they are a no fallout, vegan and cruelty free, and no adhesive required eyeshadow cosmetic line. They retail anywhere from $5 to $25. I tried the matte shades first. It comes in a light blue, a kind of royal dark blue, and then a deep dark blue. All of these are going to be your base colors. Okay, now the moment that we've all been waiting for, the shimmers. And ooh, it feels really gooey, and I hope, oh wow. Okay, I don't know if you can see this on my finger. Let's see how it transfers onto my skin. Oh wow, that's pretty. Look at that, it like changes colors. It's like green and white and gold. Okay, next color is this turquoise color. Ooh, again with the squishy feel. This feels like, almost like wet sand, but like a nice way. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, let's try that one. Oh, wow. Do you see that? Wow. Do you see that? One down here. Okay. Swatch it. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's like definitely got the silver vibes. Next swatch will be this purple color right here. I am excited. Let's see, can you see? Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Next, this deeper purple in the center and the bottom. Right here, next to that purple. Okay, as you can see, it's a darker purple. And last one, this really dark purple. Let me go back and get some more. I didn't get enough on that swatch. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at those. Those are pretty. I'm going to apply some of my NYX primer to my eyelids. This is the white one. I'll leave everything that I use in the description box down below. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the dark purple. Just going over my eyes, cleaning them up with a makeup remover wipe. With that same makeup brush, I'm going to go in with the lightest blue, which is this color right here, and I'm going to apply that next into my eyelid. Purple one right here. And now we're going to top it off with that white one. These are what the eyes look like before I apply the eyeliner. Now I'm putting my eyeliner on and going over it with some mascara on my eyelashes. And then I, of course, will apply some falsies. This is our final look, everyone. Do you like it? Give it a thumbs up if you do. And I actually really like this look. And would I purchase this again? That's a good question. I probably wouldn't purchase the full palette because I wasn't too crazy about the matte shadows. I feel like they could have been more pigmented, and I have other brands that are a lot more pigmented than the mattes. But the shimmers, I do really think that that is something I would purchase in the future because they do sell them individually, like in little jars. So I would purchase the shimmers again. And let me know if you've purchased this line already. If not, let me know if you saw the same ad that I saw on Instagram that showed the different videos and people swatching on their hands, and you got intrigued and you were like, okay, does this really work or not? But I really did have fun with this video. Let me know if you are interested in trying them, and if you have, drop a comment down below of which ones you are interested in trying or which ones you've already purchased. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.